Troops nab 12 suspected kidnappers, recover motorcycle, pistol and others. This one happen for Jigawa, and this one going to happen for Jigawa because following intelligence gathering, according to the army, we go do this waka from one of the army base for that side in Jigawa, got credible information that 2 people were kidnapped, and they traced this matter. It took them 2 days to uncover where these men them from, where they go drink shayo, now they trace them. Okada where they collect, where they pack reach 15. Pistol low rishi for Jigawa state there, plus 12 men wey be say their work na to dey kidnap, dey kpake, dey kpai people for there, and so they take gbab them. Na in the oga patapata wey lead the place say yes, this is what we are up to do now. Anybody wey say na crime be home matter for this state, in fact the country as a whole, we said we no go gree for them. Na here we dey, na so they take back them. 12 okada, probably wey they don thief from people or from people wey they kidnap. I say 15 okada and the 12 suspect kidnappers with pistol and other ammunition.
You know, say, like I said, like we always say here, na good thing. Na good thing because na development. Because at the end of the day, you go discover say every day crime keep rising. Now 12 how many motorcycles? 12 pistols. Okay, 12 of them. They can't get that both of motorcycles. So that means most of the people that they rob, where they kidnap, they will carry them. See, for Jigawa. Why is everything with they not
easy.
It's not easy to the north. That's why I'm not even bothered to go to the north. Not even bothered to go to the north. Nothing I can say here.